Why it's time to own a plunge pool. Hello friends. Today we will talk that why it's time to own a plunge pool. A plunge pool may be all you can fit into a small space and is ideal for taking a cooling, relaxing dip. These small diameter pools are of course not suitable for high-impact exercise or playing pool games, but they do provide a refreshing means of cooling down on a hot day or a place to gather with friends and a glass of something chilled. Not convinced? Let's weigh up the benefits, 11 to be exact, to owning a plunge pool. 1. They're perfect for year-round enjoyment. A plunge pool can be heated just like a standard-size pool for use in winter. Or, it can be designed to do double duty as a spa. 2. They leave lasting impressions. Small space, big impact. The plunge pool is a great solution for small garden spaces. The pool can easily run along a boundary wall or down the side of a house, making optimum use of the available space. 3. They're cost efficient. Size really does matter. The compact size of the pool allows for quick, efficient heating. The running costs are comparably lower than for a large pool. 4. They'll add a focal point in the garden. Many plunge pools have a water feature integrated into their design, typically a water wall or sheer descent water feature. In this way, you can turn on the water feature, and the pool doubles as a design focal point that can be enjoyed while relaxing nearby or looking out from the house. 5. They're great value. If you get it right, a plunge pool can increase both the aesthetic and resale values of your home. 6. They're an extension of the home. Utilizing outdoor space is an excellent way to expand the total living space of your home. The style of your pool should complement the home, your taste, and your lifestyle. 7. They're low maintenance. It's obvious that a plunge pool doesn't require as much maintenance as a larger unit does. It's why they are often more appealing. These pools range from 4 to 7 meters in length and between 2 to 3 meters in width. 8. They may improve your health. You don't need a lap pool to get in your daily exercise. You can easily do a mix of aerobic exercise and resistance training, also with the help of resistance jets or exercise bands, in a plunge pool. 9. They have healing powers. Cold water pools have been around for thousands of years, used mostly in Chinese medicine for their therapeutic effects. It's thought that plunging into a cold pool after being in a heated spa or shower helps stimulate blood circulation. 10. They're fun for the whole family. A plunge pool provides a great recreational space that can be enjoyed by the whole family. 11. Ultimately, they fit in. No matter the size or shape of your outdoor space, a plunge pool can be made to fit. That's the beauty of these small area pools. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Lard's channel, How to Make My House.